Hi everyone, City here again. We are working in a triple Pitco fryer today, and I would like to work on something very important, and it's very easy task, very easy and cheap job to do. For anyone can do it, and it will help a lot doing the daily work in your kitchen. Which is the casters. The casters are very important, especially when the filter pan is full. When you drain your oil and you want to discard it, unless if you have the system to automatic system to discard your oil. But if not, you will have to pull this filter pan anytime, and when the wheels are wearing off for the casters. As you can see, this one is not even here, so when you move it, you can see some chips here in this one too, so we will have to replace them. It's we bought new ones. It's the correct fit. They are rated 125 pounds, as you can see here, or 57 kilograms. So it's maybe I paid like $3 each, or less than $4 each. So it's not really expensive, and it will make your filter pan, to roll easily and more safe. As you can see, I have a very dirty old or used filter pan here. As you can see, look at this caster. Is just half of the caster. I don't know the people that own this fryer. I don't know how they managed to do this for a long time until the wheels got to this stage. This one is still okay, it rolls, but I would change this one too if it was me. But as you can see, to avoid your wheels and the casters to get to this stage, it's always good to replace them. It's very easy, and clean this stuff later. You see, it's very easy. You have to take these 4 screws. Be careful, they have little washers so you don't lose them. It's very easy job, but when you get it like this, you have to clean this stuff. As you can see, we took the air caster off, and we cleaned the place where they mount. So it's time to put the new ones. Very easy, just to put back the screws. I will start them by hand all the time, like this. Nothing. We put in the casters back, and we started all the screws, and we'll fix them with the drill like this. You see the difference between this and this one? This one is even hard to roll. Look at this one. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support, and stay greasy.